Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my crew, who I call my subbies, and welcome if you are watching me for the first time. Just to introduce myself, I'm Desiree Marie, and I do lock videos where I show you guys my journey from the very beginning when I started my hair with 2-strand twists all the way up until this very moment. Now I'm 3 years locked. So I pretty much bring you guys along with me as I go through the ups and downs of having a lock journey, as I get to know my hair and the best ways to grow beautiful, long, healthy locks. So if you're interested in following someone's journey that is real and authentic, hit the subscribe button because I bring you guys along with me as I do everything: shampoo, maintain, and even style my hair. Welcome to yet another video. Today's video is inspired by someone else's video. I'm not gonna act like this was an original thought, because this is actually something that people have been doing from the very beginning of time. So I saw someone's video pop up on my feed, and for a while I've seen it. I've seen the thumbnail, but I've never really clicked onto it. It did strike my attention because the girl has her hair curled in like this weird way. This girl did something completely different. She didn't use foam curlers, she didn't use flexi rods, she didn't use the regular perm rods. She actually used cloth to curl her hair. And this method is actually called the rag curl method. This girl in particular decided to do it on her natural hair, her loose natural hair. But, you know, because I like to experiment and have a little fun, I want to try it out on my locked hair. I don't think anyone has done that. I want to be the first one. So I'm going to try it out on my locked hair. As you can see, I retwisted my hair about a few days ago. I've been wearing this handkerchief thing to keep it down so that my hair would be freshly retwisted and just get that fresh, crisp look for this particular hairstyling video. So I'm gonna kind of use her video as a measuring tool on how to do this and bring you guys along with me. So this should be really, really fun. Hopefully it is a success, and I might try this as as my normal way of curling my hair. I don't know. If it's easy and if it's comfortable, I will do it. Yeah, so let's just get into it. I'm so excited. Oh, and by the way, this basket has all of the cloth that I intend on using. I did cut, she said to cut the cloth so that it is like a little over your lock or your hair length. So I'm hoping that I did it right. Let's just get into it. All right.
Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today we're going to be trying to achieve Victorian rag curls. So she had 6 pieces of rags, and I have here 12 pieces of rags.
I have about 21 pieces of rags. I came prepared.
And by rags, I mean I cut up 2 of my t-shirts.
Well,
one t-shirt and one merino to get 12 strips of cloth rags.
Yeah, and so did I. I cut up at least 3 shirts into long strips, and hopefully it is actually the thickness that I need it to be in order to work properly in my hair.
And you want these rags to be approximately twice as long as your hair.
Oh,
and
well, this
then
one is.
I like to just put all the rest of my hair away so that I only have that 1 piece of hair.
That's some big sections. This is so much smaller than her section, but I think this will be safer.
Okay, first of all, I know what I need to get. I need to get a banana clip, and I have my spray bottle. I'm going to be moisturizing my hair before doing it. So let me just get the banana clip. All right, so I got my banana clip, and oh, and it matches. Hello, can we focus? And it matches. How cute is that? Okay, cool. So I got my hair ties, I got my hairspray mixed with a little bit of oil, and my banana clip. Now, what she is doing is taking a section. she is detangling, but with locks, I don't have to detangle, hey. So this will be a whole lot easier for me. I'm going to actually start from the back. I always start from the back no matter what I do, whether it's retwisting, curling my hair, or whatever. Like, I always start from the back if I can help it. So I'm just going to put a ponytail, keep this side out of my way, and work with the back here. Okay, I have my good old spray bottle mixed with some carrier oil and just a little bit of tea tree oil. I feel like moisturizing my hair before actually curling it helps to set the curl. So, it smells so good. All right, so let's continue here. Let's see what she does.
And then I spray that with a little bit of water until it's damp.
I'm going to need a little more than just water to help set my curls. So I'm going to be using a curling cream and a little foamy mousse.
I am so happy to be locked. I don't have to use those things. Anyway.
Over right here. And she says to keep it nice and flat. So make sure my hair is nice and detangled. As flat as I can get it. And now I'm going to wrap the hair away from my face.
Okay, so I need to actually have another
Make it
section.
nice and tight. And wrap the cloth all the way back up.
Okay, and then you tie it on the piece that's clipped up. Okay, pause. So I'm going to use this section right here to start this. And let's pray right now that this thing works for us, okay? Because this might be a groundbreaking method for us with locks. She put the clip, like she clipped the fabric on top of the section of hair. So I'm going to clip it where it stays taut. All right, so now we're twisting. Okay, it's actually doing something. All right, so we're twisting. I'm gonna try to keep the fabric flat though. There we go, twist, twist. Okay. Let's see what this is about. Oh no, but the thing is, my fabric is not long enough. Maybe I should have like pulled it a little bit. So, okay, so what I can do now that I'm kind of at the ends there is like twist it and pull it so that it twists with this top portion of the fabric. Ah, locks, get out the way. I guess it's gonna have to like twist like that naturally, right? So I'm removing the banana clip and I am twisting or tying the fabric together. Wow, look at that! Look at that! Okay. Okay. All right, okay. All right, so now that I've done this and I've done this, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my head. Hey guys, so this has been like a full week with these rag curls in my hair. My husband was even wondering like, when are you gonna take them out? I have a plan, okay? So as you can see, they're still in, they're still tight and tidy. I've been wearing this kind of lock tube that I got from TonyDaily.com. She is another YouTuber and she sells these nice headscarves that I really do love. All right, so let's just get on into it. I am going to be using my oil to take down these curls, so let's just get into it. Okay. All right, it's like a little curly curl. It's like a wave. It's a wave curl that I'm getting here. It's not much of a curl. It's like a wave, like a loose wave. Okay, so I'm done, and this is the look. Wow, okay, so fresh out the cloth curls, this is what it's looking like. And I cannot lie, it's actually pretty cute. What I'm gonna do though, I'm not gonna just leave it like this. Like, I'm going to actually separate these curls. First of all, moisturize the curls because the cloth probably like dries out your hair. So I'm just gonna kind of separate it because I don't like curls that stick together. Not these curls stick together. Just separate it. And here we go. I love a side part, so we're about to do our side part. Ooh, I feel glamorous. This is cute. Okay, rag curls. All right, and I think since I kept these curls in for such a long time, like the cloth in for such a long time, that I will actually have these curls for probably the rest of the week. So let me just kind of fix it the way I like it. This is so cute. I have to kind of fix it up a little bit because the way that it's laying, like, it's kind of weird. Maybe I can do something like a swoop. Yeah, like a swoop. It's cute. This is cute. It's a look. Did I have to keep it in for about 4 or 5 days? No, but it's cute. I really do like this. Like, I'm very impressed. Rag curls. You got me, you got me. Will I use it again? Probably not, because this was very uncomfortable to sleep in. I will not lie. It was uncomfortable. I thought since it was like, you know, it's cloth and it's very thin material that I'm using, I'm not using anything like flexi rods that stick up, that it would be so comfortable. Like, I could just lay on my head at night and feel okay. But no, because my hair is kind of stiff and rolled up and it's like all over. It was just uncomfortable. Plus, I went to the gym with the rag curls. Yes, I went to the gym with the rag curls and it was just a hot mess. I do still stand by my foam rollers. If you didn't see that video where I put the classic foam rollers in my hair and took it out, check it out. That is my favorite way to curl my hair. These cloth or rag curls were pretty cute. You know, I got a nice look, so hey. And next time I don't even really have to use a whole lot. I can just go ahead and kind of grab the big sections and just casually twist it up and tie it. So there you go, guys. If you are interested in trying rag curls, I definitely do recommend give it a try. It is fun. It is very, very fun. I recommend trying it out. Have some fun with your hair, you know? If you do want to steer clear of like white cloth or colored cloth that would probably leave a little lint in your hair, try going for a dark color, like maybe this color, navy blue, or darker, preferably black. And make sure that the cloth is clean so that there are no specks that are left in your hair when you take your cloth, your rag curls out. Anyway, guys, I really was so excited to do this, and I'm really excited about the results. Looks good. Yes, I feel popping. But yeah, try this out yourself and let me know if you've ever tried anything like this. What is your favorite way to curl your hair? I would love to know. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed and that you stay tuned for many more goodies on this channel because I got more coming for you. I'm so excited. So subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Hit me up on Instagram. It's Desiree Marie _. And I'll see you in the next one. Later. Bye.